Happy Friday. I'm gonna bring you along this weekend. I actually have today off as PTO, which is lovely. I have some fun plans for this weekend. I love a little staycation. I have family in town. So first things first, we are going to a concert at Red Rocks tonight. Of course, I'll bring you along. We're gonna go shuttle a car down there just so we can leave a car at a parking lot that usually fills up pretty early and then just hike into the show later and get dropped off. Yes, indeed, I am doing this in my pajamas, okay? Fit check. So cute.
I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too
Thank you.
Good. I just filmed a TikTok where I was doing my makeup and like chatting through something, and now I'm gonna edit that TikTok and get it posted. Welcome to the floor of my office. I have my own coffee now. Barista Sandra played the part for me, myself, and I. Now we're gonna edit. I just got a whole video edited, which is perfect. My brother and my niece and my sister-in-law are gonna be here any minute now. So I'm obviously not gonna put them on camera. I will see you when I pick this up again. We spent the day with my brother and now we are at Red Rocks for a show that I think we have a while till it starts, so. What are you guys working on today?
We're moving a door, making it bigger, going higher, full length.
So yeah, that's happening.
the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Almost like one last night from that concert and then had to be up early to get to work this morning. So I'm exhausted. I'm gonna lay down for a quick little nap. It sounds nice. And the boys got the door in. It was replacing an old door and this house is a little janky, so there was a lot of work to it, but it looks very sharp. I'll show you the inside. We gotta stain the trim. We're deciding if we stain the trim the color of the door or the color of the wood next to it. I gotta do a little research and see what is the right answer there. I was worried that it'd be a lot of wood on the inside, but I don't think it's too much wood on the inside at all. Anyways, now we have something to deal with. First, we're gonna rest, hydrate a little bit. You know, I had a really big day. Okay, I took a nap. That's nice.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious.
Am I proud of this? Not really. Am I excited? Yeah. Okay, we wanted dessert, so we got dessert.
Down, day nights and late nights don't get around, but this.
Now that happened, we gotta go for a walk. I got sick last week. I stopped exercising. I literally haven't been for a walk.
You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe.
I've had the same freaking nail polish on my toes for months. I just showered, and in the shower I was looking at my toes and I was like, just take it off. It shouldn't be that hard. I feel like I picked up the camera very sporadically today, so we'll see how that all pieces together. I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, happy Sunday. It's actually 7:20 and I am fully dressed with makeup on because I just filmed a video. We are going to brunch in Boulder, so we have to leave around 8. Meeting up with my brother and niece and everyone to do that. That's why we're going all the way up there, not just for funsies. So we'll be headed out of here shortly. Listen, it is 7:30 now. It's been 10 minutes. I just did a little more work, got some B-roll for this video to help bring it up a notch, you know? So if you guys could just like, subscribe maybe if you're having a medium good time, because I am putting in the work over here, okay? And I'd love for it to pay off. And stay tuned for Sunday for a video that I'm putting the work in on Saturday. This is gonna go up Saturday. It is 7:30 on a Sunday morning and I have a full face of makeup and have been working for the past 40 minutes. So I'm not asking a lot, okay? Just a quick little like on this one and then the one I post Saturday. That's it. That's all you need to do to support me. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me.
You guys know in The Incredibles when he's under the mountain and then they sit at that really long table? That's how I feel right now. Leftover situation. This looks delish. I think I know I'm in a rut because I am really dreading going to work, even though like when I'm at work, I really like my job, but I just have so much going on that like spending the hours at work, it's honestly just spending the hours that I have to spend. I wish I could just hit my units and come home. I don't know what to make of that because I don't think it's like burnout necessarily. I think it's just like I have so much, and I feel like time at work is like necessary, obviously, because A, I like my job, and B, I need to make money in order to make progress on all of my goals. I have to do laundry. I don't know how to relax because I feel like if I'm relaxing, then I'm cheating on all the work that I need to do. And so I feel guilty for relaxing if I haven't gotten anything done, but then I also feel burnt out trying to get stuff done if I haven't relaxed. Horrendous. It's a horrible, horrible way to be. So I need to figure that one out for sure. It's just not working. Like this whole weekend, you've seen me running around like a chicken with my head cut off, not even vlogging it that well because I just don't have the space. And then when I do have a minute to sit down, I'm so addicted to my freaking phone that it's like, let me just scroll for a minute. Or I hate that too. Thought I'd share, LOL. Well, basically that's a wrap on the weekend, and I'll see you on Saturday for the next video, okay? Okay.